Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain the chapter 4 quadratic equations exercise 4.2 third question. Here the third question is find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. So we have to find the two numbers, their sum is 27 and their product is 182. Let us solve it. So let the two numbers be x and y. I am taking the two numbers x and y after, and here the sum of two numbers equals to, he gave the sum of two numbers is 27. So what are the two numbers without x and y? So x plus y equals to 27. I am regarding it as equation 1. After he said the product is 182, and the product of two numbers equals to 182. So what are the two numbers without that x and y? So x into y equals to 182. So now, here I am regarding the x into y equals to 182 as equation 2. Now from equation 1, what is equation 1? X plus y equals to 27. X plus y is equals to 27. If we transpose the plus x to the right side, then it become minus x. Then y is equals to 27 minus x. Now substitute the value of y in equation 2. Now I am going to substitute the value of y that we got 27 minus x in equation 2. What is equation 2? X into y equals to 182. So here x into y is 27 minus x. 27 minus x equals to 182. So here 27 into x, 27x, plus into minus, x into x square equals to 182. So I am going to transpose the plus 182 to the left side. Then it become minus x square plus 27x minus 182 equals to 0. Here there is minus for the x square, so I am taking minus common. X square minus into minus plus 27x minus into plus minus 182 equals to 0. Therefore we got x square minus 27x plus 182 equals to 0. So now he asked in the question find the two numbers. So here we got the only quadratic equation. So I am finding the zeros for the quadratic equation. X square minus 27x plus 182 equals to 0. Before finding the roots, we have to multiply the first and last terms. 182 into x square, 182 x square. The factors for 182 x square for minus 13x minus 14x. I am taking minus 13x and minus 14x. If we add this both, we will get the result minus 27x. If we multiply minus 13x into minus 14x, we will get plus 182 x square. So I am writing x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 equals to 0. So here in x square minus 36, the common is x. So x into x square plus into minus x 13 is 13x. After minus 14 is the common. 14 into x, 14x, minus into minus plus 14 13s are 182 equals to 0. Hence we got x minus 14 into x minus 13 equals to 0. So we get x minus 14 equals to 0, or x minus 13 equals to 0. Then it becomes x equals to 14 or x is equals to 13. So therefore the required two numbers are 14 and 13. The required two numbers that we want and that he asked in the question, find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Those two numbers are 14 and 13. So we had completed the third question. Now let's go to the fourth question. So here the fourth question is, find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Let us solve it. So in this problem we have to find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Let the two consecutive positive integers be the two consecutive positive integers be x comma x plus 1. I am taking the two consecutive positive integers x and x plus 1. Sum of whose squares is 365. He said sum of the squares of two consecutive positive integers is 365. So x square plus x plus 1 whole square equals to 365. It is the step of sum of whose squares is 365. So x square plus, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. I am writing x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 means we get 2x equals to 365. X square 2x square plus 2x plus 1, it become, if you transpose plus 365 to the left side, then it become minus. So minus 365 equals to 0. Here 2x square plus 2x minus 364 equals to 0. So in this quadratic equation 2 is the common, so I am taking common 2. 2 into x square plus 2 into x, 2x plus into minus, minus 2 into 182, 364 equals to 0. If we transpose, it will divide. So x square plus x minus 182 equals to 0. Therefore we got the quadratic equation. But in the question he asked to find the two consecutive positive integers. So now here the equation that we got is x square plus x minus 182 equals to 0. Here before finding the roots we have to multiply the first and last terms. It gives plus into minus, minus 182 into x square, 182 x square. The factors of 182 x square, 14x, 13x. Here if we multiply these two we have to get a minus 182 x square. If we add or subtract these two we have to get plus x. So here there is symbol plus. So big number want to be the symbol plus and the small number minus. Plus into minus, minus 14x into 13x, 182 x square plus 14x minus 13x plus x. So x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equals to 0. So here x square plus 14x I am taking common x. X into x square, x into x square plus x into 14x minus 13 into minus into plus minus 13 into x, 13x minus into plus minus 13 14s are 182 equals to 0. So x minus 13 into x plus 14 equals to 0. Then it becomes x minus 13 equals to 0, or otherwise x plus 14 equals to 0. It becomes x is equals to 13. It becomes x is equals to minus 14. So we do, by solving the given linear equations, we have to take only positive roots. We won't take the negative roots in any problem. So here the positive root is x equals to 13. So now the consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. So what is the value of x? 13. So 13, the value of x is equals to 13. X plus 1 is equals to 13 plus 1 equals to 14. X is 13 and the x plus 1 is 14. Therefore, the required two consecutive positive integers are 13 and 14. The required two consecutive positive integers are 13 and 14. So we had completed the fourth question. Now let us go to the fifth question. So here the fifth question is, the altitude of right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. Let us solve it. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B. In a triangle ABC given in the figure, and right angle at angle B. Here, if the hypotenuse is 13 cm, means AC equals to 13 cm. After, the altitude means the height of the right angled triangle is 7 cm less than its breadth. So, let the base of triangle be x. I am taking the base of the triangle x, and the altitude of triangle equals to the base of the triangle be x. We thought that base is x. So then the altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its breadth. The altitude of a triangle becomes 7 cm less than its base, means x minus 7. So the base means BC is x, and the altitude of triangle means height is x minus 7. After, he asked to find the other two sides, means x minus 7 and x. So by the Pythagoras theorem, we already learned what is Pythagoras theorem. Side square plus side square equals to hypotenuse square. Here, side square means AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. AB is x minus 7. So x minus 7 whole square plus BC is x square equals to AC is 13, so 13 square. Now x minus 7 square means a minus b square is in the form of x minus 7 square is in the form of a minus b whole square. So x square plus 7 square minus 2 into x into 7 means 14x plus x square equals to 169. Here x square plus x square 2x square minus 14x plus 49 equals to 169. So here I am going to transpose the plus 169 to the left side. Then it becomes 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equals to 0. Then it becomes 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equals to 0. So here by in the given quadratic equation I am taking common 2. 2 into x square 2x square plus into minus minus 2 into 7x 14x plus into minus minus 2 into 60 120 equals to 0. Then it becomes x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0. Therefore we had got the quadratic equation. Now we have to find the value of x, means x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0. Before finding the roots we have to multiply the first and last terms. Plus into minus minus 60 into x square 60x square. So here the factors of minus 60x square were 12x 5x. Here 7x having the symbol minus, so the bigger number want to be the symbol minus and the smaller number plus. Plus into minus minus 12x into 5x 60x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 7x. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equals to 0. So in x square minus 12x I am taking common x into x square plus into minus minus x into 12x plus 5 into x minus 12 equals to 0. Then it become x plus 5 into x minus 12 equals to 0. Then it become x plus 5 equals to 0 or x minus 12 equals to 0. So here it will become x equals to minus 5, it will become x is equals to plus 12. In the earlier problem I said we have to take only the positive values. So here positive value is x equals to 12. So therefore x is the base of the triangle. So I am writing therefore the base of the triangle equals to 12 centimeter. After therefore the altitude of the triangle equals to x minus 7. So x minus 7 equals to x is 12. So 12 minus 7 equals to 5 centimeter. The base of the triangle is 12 centimeter. The altitude of the triangle is 5 centimeters. So altitude of the triangle is 5 centimeter. The base of the triangle that we got is 12 centimeter. So we had completed the 5th question. Now let us go to the 6th question. So here the 6th problem is a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on the day. If the total cost of production on that day was 90 rupees, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each particle. Let us solve it. Let the number of articles produced in a day. Produced in a day. It be X. I am taking the number of articles produced in a day X. Now, it was observed on a particular day that the cost of each product that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. So, cost of given the cost of production of each article. The cost of production of each article equals to 3 more than twice the number of articles, means 2x plus 3. Now, after, if the total cost of production on the day was 90 rupees, the total cost of production on that day, the total cost of production on the day equals to 90 rupees. Means total cost of production means x into 2x plus 3 equals to 90. X into 2x, 2x square plus 3 into x, 3x equals to 90. Now I am going to transpose the plus 90 to the left side. Then it becomes 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. Therefore, we got 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. So, here 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. Now, before finding the roots, we have to multiply first and last terms. 2 into minus 2x square into minus 90 minus 180x square. So, the factors of 180x square was 15x, 12x. 15 12s are 180. So, there is the symbol plus for the 3x. So, capital number 1 to the symbol plus and the small number minus. So, 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equals to 0. In this one, the common factor is x. X into 2x, 2x square plus x into 15, 15x. Now, here minus 6 into minus into plus minus 6 into 2x 12x minus into plus minus 6 15s are 90 equals to 0. Now x minus 6 into 2x plus 15 equals to 0. Then it becomes x minus 6 equals to 0 or 2x plus 15 equals to 0. So, it becomes x equals to 6, 2x is equals to minus 15, x is equals to minus 15 by 2. So, in this both the positive integer was plus 6. Therefore, x is equals to plus 6 was the 0 that we need. Therefore, I am writing here what he asked in the problem. Find the number of articles produced. So, therefore, the number of articles produced, the number of articles produced equals to x. What we thought the number of articles produced in a day? X. So, the number of articles produced equals to x is equals to 6. So, the number of articles produced equals to 6. After, therefore, he also asked the cost of each particle. The cost of production of each article equals to 2x plus 3. The cost of each article equals to 2x plus 3 equals to 2 into x is 6. So 2 into 6 plus 3 equals to 6 are 12 plus 3 equals to 15. The cost of each particle was 15 rupees, and the number of articles produced in a day was 6. So we had completed the sixth problem, means we have completed this exercise 4.2. In next video I will explain the exercise 4.3. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.